Hey, hi Bangalore. This is Suman from Dr. AV Receiver. So, as everyone knows, we are selling a board of Zebronic make Zook bar 9400 and boat Avante. The make will come 3100D. The board we are selling right now in front of me. You can see the Zebronic make. So for this, the customer given us for there is no sound output in subwoofer and the center, right? Actually, when they are giving only the issue with the subwoofer, frequently the center will go off. But now, so we have repaired. What we have done means we have changed the IC and with the software. So many people are thinking like after changing the IC you will get the sound output, but is that wrong actually? After install, we have to. That's a cases are there, but maximum we will get the software issue in the boards Zebronic and the boat make. So only few chances are there after replacing the IC you will get the repair, but maximum cases are we have to change the IC like the software EPROM IC only. We have to load the software, then only you will get the complete sound output. Is if not means definitely you won't get. If you change the hundred of ICs also, never and ever you will get until you need to load the software. This is what issue with the boat and the Zebronic make, because both are same only. See, for example, see the fact is the both are same, only inside the software is different. Completely board, complete the make, everything will be same in the Zebronic and the boat, but only the software only the difference, because in the Zebronic the difference is there, and here also some only the part software part only different, rest everything completely same only. So as I'm saying, so we are located in Bangalore, Elahanka, Chikka Bommasandra. So if anyone requires a service on this kind of equipments, kindly send only the board, only send the only board, we will get it done. And if you require a refurbished board means, so with the exchange of your board we will give another board. If not means, if you require a new board means you need to wait for 2 months, because company is not having the board right now, so they are also taking a lot of time for giving the board itself. So and if you require a price for that, so kindly DM, so I will update you. Thank you everyone. Bye.